Abscess or boil is a very common problem in calves, cows and goats. Before starting treatment, first check the animal's general condition and confirm that the abscess is mature and soft. This softening stage is called fluctuation, which means the pus is ready to be drained. First, restrain the animal properly. Then shave the area around the abscess and clean it thoroughly with antiseptic solution. After proper preparation, make a full incision at the lowest point of the abscess using a sterile blade or cutter, so that all pus can drain out completely. Next, flush the cavity thoroughly with hydrogen peroxide or diluted antiseptic solution to remove remaining pus and debris. Ensure full drainage, then pack the cavity lightly if needed. Daily dressing should come clean and healthy. Most abscesses heal completely with proper care. Along with local treatment, give systemic antibiotics for 5 to 7 days, such as penicillin or streptomycin, along with pain relief and anti-inflammatory medication.